Marla and I this morning. That was wonderful. Lots of great stuff. Here's a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys again so you can have it on your screen how I installed the YouTube plug that allowed me to create a video in my Gmail. So the first thing I did is I just Googled how to add a video to Gmail, and you can see the very first link that came up was embed YouTube videos in Gmail. So I clicked on that, and here's where it took me. It took me to the Chrome Web Store. So this is for Chrome browsers, right? Which is what you guys hopefully are using for the company email. What you want to do, if you want to just go directly to the Chrome store, search for embedded YouTube videos in Gmail. Okay? Now over here, it's going to say mine is already installed. So yours is going to say add to Chrome. So click, boom, add to Chrome. It's, if I remember correctly, it will ask you to verify or select the email address. So you obviously want to select your Collins Mari email address, and then hit save. And once it's installed, you'll see up here, see my mouse top right of the browser, the little YouTube logo. Okay, so now you're good to go. You're ready to go. What you need to do next, as I mentioned, is I use Chrome, Apple products. So Apple uses QuickTime to record videos, and that's how I did the one this morning. If you use a PC, it's probably a Windows Media Player, and you just record a new movie, and your camera will turn on, and it'll start recording you. You could also just use your phone. Phone's just as easy. iPad's just as easy. Whatever you do, create your video. What you're going to want to do next, and this is the important part, is you're going to want to upload it to your YouTube channel. Okay, this is, I've already done that. All I did was in the top right of my YouTube channel, I hit create and I hit upload videos right here. So I had it on my desktop. I uploaded the video to my YouTube channel from my desktop, and here it is. This is the one I sent out to everybody in the morning. Okay, so I installed the Chrome plugin from the Chrome store called Embed Video in Gmail. Once I installed that, I created the video. You could use your phone, you could use your computer. Create the video. The third step is then to upload it right here. Upload videos, upload it to your YouTube channel. This is the one I did this morning. So now it's on your YouTube channel, which means because you added the plugin in Chrome, your Gmail is going to talk to your YouTube channel. So now I'm going to go over here to Gmail, and I'm going to create a new email. I'm going to send this to myself just because that's a demo. And this is a test video market update. So I'm going to do a market update. And then down here in your Gmail, you're going to see that same YouTube icon. Just click on that. Find the video. So my videos. Here's the video that I did this morning. I click on the video. Boom. The video is now in your email. You can add some text if you like to whoever you're sending it to, and you hit send, and it's gone. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Have a great day.